आता खबरो विस्तारान कोरोना विषाणू आड झगडपाक सरकार फावो ती पावलां उखलत आसात. आता मेरेन गोंयांत एकूय कोरोना विषाणूची सकारात्मक केस गोंयांत सापडिल्ली ना. 2-3 खासगी कंपनी व्हायरोलॉजी लॅब गोंयांत बांदपाक मदत करपाक तयार जाल्ल्यो आसात, अशें भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Just to make it, there's a lot of hospitals like just now as before coming here, SFRC also has identified a huge ward and spaces and other things and private rooms and all for us to use as isolation centers. Apart from that, we have already told director, I was with me in the morning, and Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Bandekar and Dr. Disa were with me. We have had a detailed discussion with Secretary Health in order so that we are able to put up all this information, and I have increased means on basically through the media is that we are getting prepared, and also we are trying to see that all the hospitals, the facilities that are provided in every hospital, all these things are properly being compiled and properly put forward. As far as we are concerned, Goa government is concerned. Yesterday there was an instance which was brought through the media only. It was shared with us where a lady who travelled by a flight from Dubai to Goa to Bangalore, who was confirmed. All of you know that case. So the Secretary Health has already given instructions. We have already given instructions to get the names of the people through the self-declaration form that identify those people, and basically to have them checked for this COVID-19 and quarantine them. Whatever facilities need to be seen, checked based on the symptoms of those people. It is very important that these people are quarantined, and this facility here, big, small, nothing matters. Everybody, the law is equal, and because this is something to do with the lives of the people. It is it's a virus which has to be with steps and guidelines. As per guidelines, we have to take necessary precautions. Now the problem which we are facing is that there are a lot of people who are coming into the state, not only foreigners, but a lot of foreigners coming on domestic flights. From today we are given directions to the airport authority. Today night, Dr. Disa, Dean, myself will be along with the airport director on the airport itself to check exactly what is happening and how the scanning is happening. Because a lot of people generally tend to say that no, scanning सारखे जावंक ना, and म्हणून काहीच पळयना म्हणून. आता ते कित्याक पळयता ना ते हांव स्वता पळयता न्ही वचून. Domestic flight. No, I will go in the night. We'll send you all this thing. But at 2 o'clock, 2:45, the airport director was telling me between 2:45 and 3 am the first flight comes. So basically the whole idea to go there is to identify what is happening. And second, we are also in the process of procuring more thermal scanners. We have already taken a decision at the government level that thermal scanners Goa government will procure and will put it. Today I think the railway, I think through this only message has come that the railway authorities also have installed a thermal scanner. We need to put a team there in place and take the help of railway authorities also. And also as far as domestic travellers are concerned, we need to see people coming in from Bombay, people coming in from Pune. A lot of people have been asked to go back home and work from their home base. The problem here is from the ships and cruise liners. My worry is that from the cruise liners and other places, we find that a lot of people who are now there is no work, so as a result of which they have been laid off or they have been given temporary breaks. They are all coming into Goa through different routes. Some people are coming via Bombay, so nobody knows whether he is actually coming on an international flight or he is coming on a domestic flight. So what we are trying to do is go more into depth in terms of the history of the people that are travelling into the state of Goa. And I appeal through the media is to the people in your vicinity. If somebody is coming from Dubai or somebody is coming, please inform the local authorities, because your life also you are putting at risk. If it's a housing society and if you know there's a foreigner come into the state, immediately bring it to the knowledge of the authorities. We will take him and quarantine him or check him, and whatever as per guidelines we will take steps. Yesterday night, lot of children, parents of children got panicky. I woke up Dr. Disa in the night also. And basically why panicky? Because they were taken to Cottage Hospital in Chikalim, and they had to be checked thoroughly. They had to be thoroughly checked for their symptoms and other things, and only then we had to release them. But if they come from that country or where there is, now suppose somebody comes from A country or B country where it's on a lockdown because of coronavirus, they have to self quarantine themselves for 14 days. It's a must.